Well, I'm finally getting off my couch this morning and I'm going on my regular ride to Enoggera Reservoir. Now, I've got a feeling this is going to be not my ordinary ride. We've had a significant rain event here in Brisbane over the last few days, and I'm expecting a lot of the causeways and probably even some of the bridges to be either washed out or undercover. So let's hop on the bike and let's go see exactly what's happened. Let's take a look. Okay, my first hurdle of the day is my first little bridge. We've got a team of really good guys from the council here cleaning it up, but it's obviously washed over. The bridge has given way. It's got special design feature built into these new bridges now where under weight the wires at the base of the structure will give way, and that means it keeps water flowing and reduces the damage to the infrastructure of the bridge. But this bridge is closed for me, so I'm just going to do a little bit of a backtrack and we'll continue our journey. Thanks, team. Up high, yeah, you can see where the watermark is there. It's definitely gone down. Yeah, well, that's where you can see the mud, unless that's from last time, because remember a week or two ago it flooded again. Yeah. But I don't think any bikes are going through there today. If it's flooded, forget it. Especially when you're on a bike. Bit wet.
Yes, bit wet.
Well, now, this is my third bridge, and this is about 10 times as high as what it would be normally. Bridge number 5. Completely, I would say 3 metres above what it normally was, at least 3 metres above what it normally was. And this is a day after we've had quite significant rain here in Brisbane. I think we had about 1.98 millimetre, 198 millimetre rather, so a very heavy rain event. Muddy it is down here. Let's take it very, no, slow down.
Very slippery in there.
Not worth risking it.
No.
This is definitely a hiker bike. Oh, it's a bit muddy. Can you see that? Ooh, this is when I wore my sandals. So it must have just been flowing under here as well. Yeah, I think that's under. What do you reckon? Holy moly. Oh, probably can't see. Bring you down a bit. Now, I normally ride around there, go around there and across there. It would be, I'd say, 2 to 3 metres over the normal. I guess I am not riding through there today. Okay, this is the little bridge near St John's Wood. Just step back a bit here. You can see a significant amount of water flowing through and under the bridge. Good, thanks very much. Thank you. Ooh. Thank you for that. Walter something bridge at the Gap. The Walter Creek Bridge, I don't know. Right, okay, I better. Okay. I can get back on my bike now. That will be flooded, so we'll just get ready to stop because it will be, whoop, yep. No problem, I'll go over there.
Flooded, get it.
I know, I've forgotten it, or I'd forgotten it even before I got here because I knew it was going to be like this. I just wanted to see it, it's amazing.
Well, I would have been up here yesterday.
Oh yeah. So now...
That's amazing. Which way are you trying to get to?
The reservoir, but normally when this happens I go all the way back round there to Hilda Road and there, but I can't be bothered. I think I might just go up that way. I wasn't expecting this to be flooded on this corner. Look at that. Now, this is the normal swimming spot. Be interested to see how high we are. Oh yeah, that's up. Now there's normally a rock wall. About where that gentleman is standing, there's a rock wall normally, so I'd say it's up by about 2 metres. At least you'll be away from the catfish. At Enoggera Reservoir. What about that last crossing? It's a real mess. I'm home now, thankfully. I'm really glad that I went out. A lot of those crossings are going to be quite a while before they're cleared. Obviously, letting the water go at the reservoir, all that water has to go somewhere, and it's coming down Enoggera Creek, coming down through all those causeways. Once they can cut that water off at the top, everything will calm down and they'll have a chance to clean up again. Anyhow, I'm really glad I got out on the bike today. I might just go inside now and sit back on the couch.